Taking heart is different every single time. I'm not just talking about the taking heart class, although that's obviously different every single time because different people are there. They've been through something different. We're all coming home from a different place. But that's always true. The process of taking heart is always different because we're coming home again from wherever we've been, and where we've been is different. We travel through the world, we go through many things. We trip, we stumble, we fall, we get dirty, we get tangled up, we get confused, we go through so much. What is the process of coming home from here? What is the process of bringing it all back home again? Because when we come home again, come home with souvenirs, shall we say, some of them beautiful and some of them requiring stitches. Every single time we take heart, it's completely different. Every single time we come home again, we are different.